where does the name for Pen y Cai come from? So today I'm in Prion, well actually just outside Prion, and this hill behind me is called Pen y Cai. So the name for Pen y Cai, this hill beside me, is quite simple. It's made of three parts. First we have pen, which originally meant head, but it's also kind of come to mean the top of something, or sometimes a hill. Then we have which means the, and then we have Cai. Cai means a field, and it comes from the Proto-Celtic word carros, so it actually shares the same root as the Welsh word Caer, which means a fortress. So it literally means the top of the field. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to help me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in the bio. Diolch. Have a good one.